To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. A side menu will appear. From there, select Settings. Swipe up to scroll down. Then under the Settings section, select Privacy and Security. On this page, look for an option called Passkeys. If you don't see it, your app may still be updating, or the feature may not be available in your region yet. Now tap on it. Read the instructions to understand how it works, then tap Create Passkey. Telegram will now ask you to confirm using your fingerprint, Face ID, or device PIN. Once confirmed, your passkey will be created and securely stored on your device. From here, you can add additional passkeys if desired. By tapping the three dots next to a passkey, you'll also access the option to delete it. Next time you log into Telegram, especially on a new device, select Login with Passkey. No SMS code is required, just fast and secure biometric authentication. So that's how you can create a passkey on Telegram Messenger.